How do banks make money? I'm gonna break down from top to bottom how banks make money. When I mean banks, I mean small and big. So like a Chase, JP Morgan to like literally your local Omaha, Nebraska institution. Top being top income producing streams and low obviously meaning lowest income producing streams. Let's start with the top. The number one income producing stream for banks is interest from loans. Yeah, I'm talking about mortgages. I'm talking about commercial buildings. I'm talking about personal loans, auto loans, credit cards. This produces literally 50 to 70% of incomes for most big banks. If you don't know how this works, let's just say you want to buy a car. You don't have all the cash to buy the car right now. What you could do is take out a loan for the car so the bank will pay for it, but instead you'll have to make monthly payments with interest on top of it. Let's just say you have a car you want to buy that's $12K and you have a 10% interest rate. Your interest would be around like $100 per month. The amount of like money you're paying towards the car would be like $155. People take out loans all the time for like literally anything. All right, now let's get into number two, credit cards. This ties back into the interest, but it also includes fees. And it's funny because credit cards can literally help you out so much. So many people don't know how to use them. The banks make so much money off people. So the reason why they make so much money is because they have really high margins. Think about it. Like when you're opening a credit card, the bank already has all this money like in cash reserve. It's not really much of a loss if somebody doesn't make their payment because oftentimes they're going to end up paying another payment on top plus interest. So they're like making already so much money. So there's like so much margin already there. Also late fees, like I was saying, if somebody doesn't pay off their credit card on time, then the bank will, on top of all the interest, give you a late fee. So let's just say like you miss repeat payments or you miss like a payment after like 60 days or more, they'll like put this penalty interest rate on you, which is so it'll often spike it like to 30%. And also merchant exchange fees. A lot of times like when you pay with the credit card like at different like stores, like a bank charges you because there's just like a merchant fee. Number three, a lot of people don't know this, but one thing they do is they invest your money. Let's just say you put money into a savings account. They don't like literally take the whole thing and invest it, but they invest a lot of money that's like put into the bank. They don't just hold it in the bank. No, like they take your money and invest it and make more money with your money. It's so funny. Oh, that kind of rhymed. So yeah, they have like a bunch of different like ways they can invest. They have like different IPOs and bonds they'll invest in. Number four, wealth management and asset management. So this type, it isn't like high income producing, like getting money off interest, but it's stable. It's reoccurring and it's scale. Let's just say like you just made $1 billion, but you just don't want to like hold it in your savings account because you're not an idiot. What a lot of people will do is go with a wealth management program at a different bank like Chase, Wells Fargo, whatever, where they will manage your money. And you could like tailor it with the bank so you could choose whether you want to do like high risk or low risk. In exchange for all that, they'll charge you a fee to do it. Usually they're like ongoing fees to like maintain the management, I guess. With wealth management and asset management, the income is like very predictable. Now let's talk about fees and service charges. There's not much to it. Account fees, so making a new account or overdrafts, there's a fee for that. Wire transfers, pretty self-explanatory. For all these things, like the bank will charge you a fee. It's small compared to like most of these other streams, but it's still big. Like dude, big banks are still making billions off this per year. Corporate debt, sometimes they'll like bail out certain corporations, make money off the interest that they pay back to the bank. That's it for the whole video. Let me know if you learned something. Thanks for watching this video. Before I hit 1 million subscribers, sub right now. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.